Hallo daar. Welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did meervoud. This time we will cover Vakansiedae, holidays in Afrikaans. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Worksheets and early videos are available on the Patreon. Les 21, Vakansiedae, holidays. This episode is part of our vocabulary series. Let's begin. South Africa currently has 12 public holidays, 12 publieke vakansiedae. In South Africa, if a Vakansiedag happens on a Sunday, the Monday following it becomes a holiday. The first holiday, eerste vakansiedag, is Nuwejaarsdag. Nuwejaarsdag. Dit vind plaas op 1 Januarie. 1 Januarie. Usually the evening before Nuwejaarsdag is filled with celebrations. The day is called Oujaarsaand. Oujaarsaand. On Oujaarsaand you get together and wait for midnight. Middernag. Middernag. Usually at middernag you watch the fireworks. Vuurwerke. Vuurwerke. Oujaarsaand is not a vakansiedag. Menseregtedag. Menseregtedag. Dit vind plaas op 21 Maart. 21 Maart. This day commemorates the Sharpeville massacre. On the same day in 1960, 7,000 black protesters went to the Sharpeville police station protesting the pass laws. After the protest turned ugly, the police opened fire into the crowd, killing 69 people. Goeie Vrydag. Goeie Vrydag. Although South Africa is a secular country, a few Christian holidays remain. Goeie Vrydag commemorates the crucifixion of Jesus Christ, die kruisiging van Jesus Christus. And on the third day it is Opstanding Sondag. Opstanding Sondag. The day that Christ had risen. Die dag toe Christus opgestaan het. Opstanding Sondag always falls on a Sunday, so the Monday thereafter is a public holiday, known as Gesinsdag. Gesinsdag. Together the celebrations surrounding Christ's crucifixion and rise from the dead are called Paasfees. Paasfees. As part of Paasfees, you might hunt for paaseiers. Paaseiers that are hidden by the paashaas. Paashaas. Vryheidsdag. Vryheidsdag. Dit vind plaas op 27 April. 27 April. Vryheidsdag celebrates the day on which the first democratic election in South Africa was held in 1994. Werkersdag. Werkersdag. Dit vind plaas op 1 Mei. 1 Mei. Most of the world celebrates Workers' Day on the 1st of May. Jeugdag. Jeugdag. Dit vind plaas op 16 Juni. 16 Juni. Jeugdag commemorates the Soweto uprising in 1976, held by school students against the requirement of Afrikaans in schools. During this protest, the police fired into the crowd, killing around 176 students. Vrouedag. Vrouedag. Dit vind plaas op 9 Augustus. 9 Augustus. This day commemorates the 1956 march of 20,000 women against the racial pass laws. Erfenisdag. Erfenisdag. Dit vind plaas op 24 September. 24 September. The South African government decided after 1994 that a public holiday was needed for everyone from the various ethnic groups to celebrate their culture. That is the purpose of Erfenisdag. However, Erfenisdag quickly became known unofficially as Braaidag. Braaidag. So on this day, South Africans come together with their friends and families and braai together. Braai is a South African way of cooking over open coals, similar to a barbecue but better because it's a braai. Versoeningsdag, Versoeningsdag. After 1994, this day is meant for national unity between races. For Afrikaners, this is a very important day. It is also called Geloftedag, Geloftedag, because on this day in 1838, a Voortrekkers force of 470 fought a battle against the Zulu army of more than 10,000, the Battle of Blood River. The day before the battle, the Voortrekkers made a vow with God that if he helped them to victory, it meant that he wanted them to stay in South Africa, and in return they would build a church for God, and their descendants would always celebrate this day as a holiday. Kersfees, Kersfees. Dit word gevier op 25 December, also known as Christusfees, Christusfees, or Christmas, Christmas. This day celebrates Christ's birth. Kersfees is always during the summer vacation in South Africa. So most people go to the beach towns of South Africa with their family. For Kersfees you might have a kersboom, kersboom, decorated with kersballe, kersballe, and with geskenke, geskenke, under the tree. The geskenke are either done on the morning of Christusfees or the night before on O Kersaand, O Kersaand. On Kersdag, Kersdag, you usually have a nice big dinner with family. Kersete, Kersete. The day after Kersfees is Welwillendheidsdag, Welwillendheidsdag, of Tweede kersdag, Tweede kersdag. This day is part of the Kersfees celebrations. And we at Learn Afrikaans hope you have a wonderful Christusfees this year. Thank you for watching. Next week, stokperdjies, hobbies in Afrikaans. To test yourself, visit our Patreon for worksheets. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.